Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you one of our pre-owned boats. This is a 2007 Grady-White 305 Express. I know the customer from service. He really took very well care of this boat. So I'm going to go over some of the features and benefits with you guys. Starting in the back of the boat, there is twin 250 horsepower Yamahas. These were regularly maintained, so they're definitely going to last a long time. Right here we do have a very large fish box. There's some fenders in there right now in the shore power cord, but plenty of room in there to put all your catch and everything. Right here we do have the seat that lifts up and gives you a nice comfortable forward facing seat as you're underway and everything, but it does drop down out of the way and gives you a nice little tow catch when you're reeling in a big fish. Also on both sides of the boat there's tow catches in the gunnels. Also rod storage down below. Moving forward a little bit, we do have the enclosure right here. This is all removable on those hot days, but this area is heated and does have AC as well. That's a live well right down there. On the opposite side we do have a cooler. Now moving into the enclosure area. Nice comfortable arrangement in here. And I want to show you one of the key features of the Express line. It's the electronics box. It actually opens up and stows out of the way. This boat is equipped with Ray Marine screens and also has a Ray Marine open array radar on it. This is a fishing boat, but it's very comfortable. Let me show you a little more. We'll go down into the cabin area. Down in here, it's a very spacious area, that's for sure. You do have the skylight that comes here. There's also a screen that covers that up if you want to close the light off and just relax in here comfortably. There's a built-in flat screen TV. This cushion actually removes and this table lifts up, so it gives you a nice little area to eat. How are you going to eat? Well, you have a kitchenette right here. Remove this right here. You do have a stove top. You have your microwave, your refrigerator. Then you're also going to have your stereo controls right here. This is your air conditioning controls right here and DVD player. Down below in the aft area, there's another sleeping area. You can fit probably 4 people on this boat comfortably, or sleep 4 people. Then in here, very spacious head. The nozzle does come out. It connects right up there, so you do have a shower head in there. Pump out head. I believe with the macerator though. Have to check it out. You guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. Come by and see some of our pre-owned boats whenever you get a chance. Thank you.